Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 100 amp automatic generator transfer switch is an essential addition for anyone looking to ensure a seamless power supply during outages. This transfer switch is engineered for single-phase systems, making it perfect for residential applications. The service entrance rated design is a significant plus, as it allows for the safe and reliable transfer of power from your generator to your home without compromising safety standards. Installation of the Generac transfer switch is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The switch is built to handle a maximum of 100 amps, which is adequate for most households. It comes with a clear installation manual, making it manageable even for those with basic electrical knowledge. However, for more complex setups or if you're not comfortable with electrical work, hiring a licensed electrician is advisable. One standout feature is its automatic operation. During a power outage, the transfer switch instantly detects the loss of utility power and switches to generator power without manual intervention. This automation is crucial for maintaining household functions, especially for essential appliances like refrigerators, heaters, and medical devices that require constant power. Durability is another hallmark of the Generac 100 amp transfer switch. Constructed with high-quality materials, it is designed to withstand outdoor elements if installed in a NEMA enclosure. This ensures longevity and reliability, which is critical during stormy weather when outages are most likely. The LED indicators provide real-time status updates, letting users know when the switch has engaged or if maintenance is needed. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and peace of mind. Overall, the Generac 100 amp automatic generator transfer switch is a reliable, efficient, and well-designed solution for anyone seeking robust backup power. Its combination of ease of use, safety features, and durability makes it a smart investment for homeowners looking to safeguard their power supply against outages.